Hi everybody, I'm Asaf from David Systems and welcome back to our second part on how to use WebDigAIRange, and today Alex is going to give us an overview to the scheduling page.
Now let's take a closer look to the scheduling page. On this screen I've opened the rundown for today 1400 to 1500, the afternoon magazine. This rundown contains elements, groups and stories. At the moment all of the groups and stories are collapsed. But I have one button up here to uncollapse or collapse all of them. So let's look inside and we see the content of these groups and stories. The button on top here, the title of the show, will bring me back into the show grid and open the metadata mask related to that show. So let's take a look. This is my show and this is my metadata mask. I can go back into the schedule using this schedule button or any other of the scheduling buttons here or there. Let's go back. So this is where we were. I can show additional tracks. They are arranged in tabs up here. So there's the main rundown track, track 0, and there's an additional content pool track which I've created here. Of course, I can drag and drop from one track to the other. If an element contains audio, there's a pre-listen button located on the right side. If I clicked on pre-listen, I would pre-listen to the beginning of the element. If I use this button to toggle, I could pre-listen to the end of this element.
Okay, Alex, thanks again for the overview for the scheduling page. For the next part, we're going to take a look at how to build a storyboard. Thanks for watching, and once again, don't forget, David Systems, listening in action.